Hey everybody, Dan Plata from Blue Skies Services here to invite you to the first of its kind Finance Workshop. We are going to be tag teaming with Mike Dalkey from Red Hook Investments to put on a transformational finance workshop and get you what you need to run your business successfully, get your books in order, make you smarter, make you more profitable. The event is going to be held in Nashville on September 19th. So mark your calendars, a full day workshop. And like I said, it's going to be transformational, not just informational, not just teaching. We're going to go over a topic and then we're going to take some time to actually work on our books. We're going to fix our chart of accounts. We're going to look at our metrics. We're going to look at our P&Ls. We're going to look at how to buy equipment, how to capitalize it, whether we should expense it. We're going to look at mergers and acquisitions. We're going to look at tax impacts of different decisions that you make. And we're going to talk about what the right thing to do is, and then we're going to set you up to do it. It's going to be awesome, one of a kind, first of its kind, September 19th in Nashville. Register with the link below. Price goes up at the end of the month. I will see you there.